If you want to start your spring renovations as soon as spring arrives, then you've got to do exactly what I do today, without fail. Stay with me and I'll show you how I do it. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. Today is all about killing weeds and moss. So why is it important that we start the weed killing process today? This is so the weed killer has a chance to wear off before we put the new seed down. We know that if we use products containing Mecroprop or dicamba or 2,4-D, these take 3 months to exit the lawn, whereas Weedol, which I'm using the professional version of today, only takes 4 weeks. So come March, I should be in a position to start seeding straight away. Now looking closely, we can see that we do have a few weeds just creeping in. A dandelion there, that's Taraxacum officinale, and we have the buttercup, which is the ranunculus repens. These are pains when it comes to weeds because they're spreading, and this causes problems when you're doing the seeding because they take all the nutrition and the water and inhibit the new seed from establishing. Now, how's the lawn got in this state, I hear you ask? It's because the customer doesn't actually own this bit. It's owned by Lord Beaumont, who owns the estate. Now, I've been, like I said, been working here 20 odd years, and all I've ever done is mistreated it really rather than treated it because I don't get paid to do it. So this year thought we'd give it a bash to try and see if we can rescue it, as it does look unsightly when the main lawn's looking in superior condition. Now over here we've got something called washboarding, where the mower over the years has moved the particles of soil, and that's something I'll touch on later in the season when we do a bit of top dressing, because I'll have to level that out because that won't fill in with Jack's Magic, so that'll just need a little bit of attention, but we'll do a video on that and I'll show you how to do it. But for today it's just about the moss control and the weed control. So I've got the mower out, I'm ready to go. Let's get some nice double stripes. Well, not nice double stripes, but double stripes. You can stripe moss, you will get some effect. I'm not looking for Wembley today. It's literally just guidelines, so when I'm spraying I can do a good accurate application. So also, because we've got quite a few weeds and we've got a lot of moss, it's a good time to put some moss control in the tank, and then we get a 2-for-1 hit, because we really do need to get this moss under control. So when we come to scarify, that's really black, and it'll come out easier with the scarifier. So you might ask, why do we need to get rid of the weeds? This is because they'll compete with the seed that we put down, and anything like dandelions, they're going to be a big presence in the lawn if we feed in as well, so they're going to be taking all the nutrients and all the water. Anything which spreads, like buttercup, which is ranunculus repens, or white clover, which is trifolium repens. Repens means anything creeping. Then again, they're going to take all the room up and the seed's not going to be able to grow. So it's important that we get on top of the weeds for that reason. Definitely not Wembley Stadium, but we can see some nice guidelines there. Moss can be striped. It's amazing how, but it does work, and that's good enough for me. So let's mix my tank up and then we'll get spraying. In my tank today I've got soluble iron, which I used at the sheep job last week, and I have also got in there the weed killer, which is the professional version of Weedol. Okay, so that's the weed killing and the moss control done. We'll just leave that now to go black. As you can see behind me, it's already going black, so that's a good thing. So we leave that now for a few weeks. We might need to give it another one because the moss might regenerate before we come to scarify it, but hopefully not. But if we do, it's no issue. So join me next time here in a month or so, and we'll show you step 2.